Welcome back, YouTube. Thanks for coming and checking out another Fat Guy Builds. Today, we're working on a G80 Genesis here with the V6 twin turbo. And we're just going to do an oil change. So I'm going to take you through step by step, and it's going to be pretty easy. Let's go. First things first, pop the hood. I'm going to make everybody go crazy. It says 530. I'm putting 1030. Oh, no. Take the cap off. And then now, we're going to lift the car in the air. On the front of the car, you go straight down the center. You have one here that has like a little oil symbol meshed in. So you're gonna take 10 millimeter here, take those out. And then behind that, you have another one, and it has the same thing. You got 10 millimeters. It looks like 4 of them. All the way around pretty much. This is the tool you're going to want to get here. It's a W80 684, and it's a shallow little big ass socket. As you can see here, you stick the socket and the ratchet through, righty tighty lefty loosey, take that cap off, and the oil is going to drain into a bucket or whatever you're using. Here's the part number for the oil filter, WL10237. That's a Wix. When you buy the new filter, it comes with an O-ring and a crush washer. You're going to take the O-ring and you're going to replace it with this O-ring from here. The factory oil filter just pulls out of here, and then you just give this a nice little tug and it clips it in. You're going to want to rub a little bit of oil on this O-ring so you don't mess it up when you're putting it back in. Once you have the O-ring, filter in, all that, you're just going to screw this back in the opposite way that you took it out, righty-tighty. Now behind the second panel, you're going to use a 17 millimeter box wrench, and you're just going to drain this into your drain and wait for it to stop dripping. Once it's all drained, put the plug back in, tighten it down. You're not really going to get a torque wrench in here, so just make it tight. Now you're going to put this thing back in, and you're going to just tighten these 10s back down. Now we're going to fill it, get a funnel. According to AMSOIL, takes 7.3 quats. So get yourself 8 quats. And damn text. Get yourself, son of a bitch! Get yourself 8 quarts. God damn it!
He's texting me, dumb. Stop texting.
Maryland. Alright, we're going to fill this some bitch. We got a funnel. We got AMSOIL telling us it takes 7.3 quats. So you're going to have to buy 8 quats. And then you're just going to have to fill it till it looks right on your dipstick. Quiet, quiet, quiet. You're going to fill it up with 7 quarts right away. Then you're going to start it for 30 seconds. And you're going to get a baby to stop bothering you. And you're going to start it for 30 seconds. Then you're going to shut it off. And then you're going to top it off with the dipstick. You want the oil to be in the center of the dipstick. And I'll show you what it's going to look like. So, we need 0.3. This is 32 ounces. So, 32 divided by 3 is like 11. Whatever. So, I'm just going to put in 12. And that'll be plenty good. If you want to nitpick and use a syringe and like get it to the exact cc, do whatever the hell you want. Alright, so the dipstick, you want to be between this low and high mark. If you're way up here, at the you know, way over here, you put 8 quarts in and you need to drain some because you're dumb. But just make sure it's in between these 2 lines. I'd like to thank all you guys for checking out another Fat Guy Builds episode. Hopefully this helped you out. Don't let the dealer charge you money for this dumb shit. Just do it yourself. And, yeah, it's easy. Till next time, wrench on.